Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to fact-check information quickly and accurately. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about a topic, ChatGPT can help you verify facts and stay informed. Let's dive right in. The first step is to ask clear and specific questions. For example, if you're fact-checking a historical event, you might ask, what were the main causes of World War I? Instead of a vague question like, tell me about World War I. This helps ChatGPT provide more precise information. Let's try it. So here's the prompt right here. Once again, what were the main causes of World War I? Now, let's enter and see how ChatGPT would provide the information based on this prompt right here. As you'll see right there, it's currently processing, and yeah, as you can see, ChatGPT provides a comprehensive answer, mentioning militarism, alliances, imperialism, and nationalism as the main causes. It's detailed and to the point right here. Next, let's check a current event. Say you heard a claim that a significant event just happened, like a major policy changed by a government. You could ask, right here for instance, did the US government pass a new environmental law in May 2024? So let's see how Chat would check for us. Here we go. It's currently searching, and here we go. ChatGPT confirms the policy change and provides some context. This is especially useful for staying up to date with recent developments. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Sometimes you might want to cross-reference information from multiple sources to ensure accuracy. Let's take a common statistic, for example. Suppose you've heard that Brazil's population has recently reached a new milestone. You can ask ChatGPT, right here, to this input by putting together the prompt, for instance, like, what is the current population of Brazil in May 2024? I just added something just so it could be up to date. So let's see how ChatGPT would provide the information. See, ChatGPT provides the most recent population figure doing with the date the data was last updated. For instance, it says right here, as of May 2024, the population of Brazil is approximately 217.5 million people. Here we go. So this is a good starting point. But there's a big but. It's crucial to cross-verify this information. To ensure the accuracy of this information, you can use several methods. First, you could ask ChatGPT, once again, for the source of its data by typing or putting together your prompt right here. Let's change things up a bit with my prompt here. Let's say, what source provides, here we go, the current population of Brazil in May 2024. Here we go. Now let's hit enter once more. So right here, ChatGPT might respond with something like, here we go, just right here. Here are the sources that are highlighted, like this figure is provided by Nations Geo and corroborated by other sources like Worldometer and Statistics Times, which also placed the population around 217.5 million. There we go. On the other hand, let's do a quick web search to cross-reference this data. Open your browser right here and search from any search engine. For example, I'm using Google right now. Let's see my keywords right here. Current population of Brazil in May 2024. Then let's hit the Google search or hit enter. And here we go. As you can see, the search results confirm the information provided by ChatGPT. This cross-referencing step is essential to ensure you're working with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Now, let's look at fact-checking scientific information. If you come across a scientific claim like, controversially, right here in my prompt, do vaccines cause autism? You can ask ChatGPT directly with this. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would respond. So, as you can see right here, ChatGPT clearly states that there is no scientific information or evidence linking vaccines to autism, referencing various studies and consensus from health organizations right here. Yeah, this helps clarify common misconceptions. Lastly, ChatGPT can help you find references for further reading. If you need more in-depth information, you could ask right here in the input and put together your prompt like, can you provide references? And here, just for the specifics like books and articles for the causes of World War I, just as I mentioned once more in the first segment earlier. And here we go. Now let's see how ChatGPT would generate. Here, ChatGPT lists books and articles where you can read more about the topic. This is particularly useful for academic research or deep dives into subjects. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT for fact-checking is straightforward and can save you a lot of time. Remember to always cross-reference with other reliable sources and ensure the accuracy of the information. See you next time, everybody.